In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common email issues, specifically focusing on ensuring your emails are being delivered correctly. We'll cover some vital checks, such as examining your MX and SPF records, ensuring your mailbox isn't full, inspecting your spam or junk folder, and when necessary, reaching out to Hostinger support for additional assistance. Let's begin by checking your MX and SPF records in the DNS settings. MX and SPF records are crucial for the proper routing and delivery of your emails. X records, or mail exchange records, direct email to your mail server. If they are incorrectly set up, your emails might not be delivered at all. On the other hand, SPF records help in identifying which mail servers are allowed to send emails on your behalf. Log into your DNS management console and review these records. Both should be configured to match the settings provided by your email hosting service. If there's anything that looks off or unfamiliar, it's wise to verify these settings directly with your provider. The next step in our checklist is verifying that your mailbox quota isn't full. A full mailbox can lead to emails bouncing back to the sender or simply disappearing into the digital void without notification. Access your email account, either through a web interface or email client, and check the storage status. If your mailbox is nearing its limit, consider deleting old, unnecessary emails or download and archive them on your local system to free up space. Once your mailbox is squared away, it's time to check your spam or junk folder. We all know emails, especially from new contacts, can sometimes end up there unexpectedly. Dive into those folders to make sure important emails aren't being automatically filtered out. If you do find emails that should not be categorized as spam, mark them as not spam to train your email filter to recognize them in the future. Doing so will ideally help shape your filter settings to better match your true spam preferences. Having completed these steps, if you're still encountering issues, it's a good idea to contact Hostinger support for further assistance. Hostinger support team is equipped to dig deeper into any lingering problems with email delivery. Prepare the details of the problem in advance, such as any error messages you've encountered or steps you've already taken, so you can provide this information to them easily. And there you have it. These are the basic steps to ensure your emails are making their way safely to and from their intended recipients. By keeping an eye on your DNS settings, managing your mailbox quota, and monitoring your spam folders while knowing the right time to reach out for help, you'll be well on your way to a smoother email experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments section below. See you in the next video.